The NovaTime system allows you to generate reports in order to analyze your company's information easily. The first step towards the generation of reports is moving to the reporting area of the system by clicking Reports on the header menu. Within the Report Generator tab, you will notice 4 separate tabs including Overview, Properties, Preview, and Stored Reports. Overview will list all reports under the Selected Report template found on the bottom left menu, or user-designed published reports on the top left of the menu. The Properties tab will list all of the available properties for the selected report, depending on the report that is selected on the report tree. The Preview tab will display the selected report based on your selections in the Properties page. And in the Stored Reports tab, you can view large resource-intensive reports that require being placed into a queue or line for processing. Reports of this magnitude are rare, but does provide for a system allocation of resources to maintain consistently robust access to NovaTime screens and features. So to proceed, select a report from the report template categories on the left. In this example, we will select the Exceptions report from the Time and Attendance menu on the left. Next, we would select the Properties tab if needed to adjust the parameters that are available to suit our needs. For example, we could change the output format for the report, or we can filter the report using primary and group filters. We can choose which fields to display. We can choose which columns will be displayed within our report. We can also apply any exception thresholds that we see fit. We can choose a date range. And we can also apply a sort order as well. Finally, we could apply additional options, such as the insertion of page breaks, an attached message, or displaying group descriptions. Finally, we'll click on the Preview tab to view how the report will look when completed. At this point, you can make additional changes if needed by going back to the Properties tab, or you could publish the report for yourself or others to use by clicking on the Publish button. To publish the report, go back to the Properties tab, select the Publish To drop-down arrow, and type the report name in the Publish Name field. Then, if needed, type a short description in the Description field. Select an option from the Publish To drop-down menu and any corresponding users, and then click the Publish button. The report will now show up in the Published area in the left-hand side navigation pane of the report area and can be viewed by either yourself or others in the system. Just a note, if the other users on the system are restricted to viewing only a particular group of employees, the report will display their particular employees and not all employees in the system. Another consideration when generating reports for the first time is to simply adjust the date range for the report and preview it before you begin to adjust the parameters. Also, by using report date ranges with generic terms such as current pay period or previous pay period, you can rerun the same published report as you move through the calendar year. The report may display just fine with the default parameters.